Yan, kuha tayo na rin. Nagnakaw. Galing ako sa trabaho. Yung aming tawag dito yung tagagamas ng tawag doon, gardener doon sa pinagtatrabahoan ko. Ay kala ko hindi magtatrabaho ngayon. Ngayon guna-gunahin. Nakakita ko ng ganire. Oh, yun nyo. Yun namang branch na naman. Na ilalagay ko sa tubig na magkakabulaklak. Ay pagharap ko sa kaliwaya ba narurong pala. Ay, magtatrabaho pala ngayon. Ay, hindi ko alaman. Ay, ako'y nakanganga. Hindi, ang explain ko ay naku po. Ay sorry. Ako'y nagnakaw ng naring branch. Yun pala naman ay sabi, ay okay na okay kaya dahil tutubo pa. Ayun. Di ako'y naparelax. Kala ko ako'y nagkakapagnakaw na ng madami. Pala naman dapat nga'y puputulin. Naka-free. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Yan. Kaya pag nilagyan ko sa tubig, talaga naman bulaklak na madilaw. Yun. Ako nanggaling sa trabaho. Ay ako busy. Kanina medyo madaming ginawa. Ay siya. Alam mo nyo, kakayod tayo ng kakayod. Hanggang may kakayod. Kakayod pag may time. Ko nga ang kaduray. Napungay na ang mata. Ay hindi ako pwedeng mag-vlog doon. Saan pinagtatrabuhan, sabi ng aking boss ay ayaw daw nila ang gayon. Private. So some Swedish is private. So we have to respect ko naman. So it's okay. Sa labas na lang tayo. Kaya sa labas nagnanakaw ng bulaklak. Sa pinagtatrabaho kayo, malapit kami sa magandang fishing village. Laging fishing village. Alam naman din sa palibot yung laging fishing village o kaya harbor sa aking pinatitirahan. Nakakagiliw. Ito, makita nyo dito. Yan ang view dito. View. Malayo yun sa pinagtatrabuhan ko na andun sa kabila. Naroon pa doon sa may banda doon sa may behind that. So this is the village. This called Arild. Yun, mga may kwarta lang ang narito. Ako lang wala. So one day we go there and just looking around. I told you I will bring you where my feet take me. Yan, doon. Pupunta tayo doon sa may paparoon. May pupuntahan tayo. May pupuntahan si Kaduray. Mag-say hello to my friend down there. Nakakatuwa na. Pag ganiring mainit na ang mga wildflowers. Ito yung mga wildflowers. Yan, kukuhanin ko yan, dadalhin ko pala sa amin. lalagay ko sa maliit na flower vase. Kaya guna-gunahin. Minsan wala din naman. Huwag mo lang kukuhanin. Meron ditong flowers na talagang hindi mo makukuha. Bakit yun? Kita na naman. Kung hindi mo talaga makukuha dahil bawal. Ang tawag dun sa kanila yung special flower. So we have to respect. So we go down in the stairs. Down in the stairs. We will look look at the surrounding. I promise you, that's why I love Sweden. When it's spring, the spring comes, it's really nice here. And summer and autumn. Very near to the water. And yeah, I love it. Here in Arild, the small fishing village that called Arild. Tourist spots. So I think we're going to today. I plan to visit my friend. I will show you later on. Then you will see. Okay. Ciao. Oh, nandito na po ako. Yung pakikita, I will show you my friend here. Oh. I think the form is not like him. Before he looks like the Ninja Turtle. What now I don't understand what happened to his body. His form is really like Michelangelo, and now it's maybe the waves got him, and now no shape at all. Oh, so sad. Sana pa naman magbaba kami babattles nito. So here is the surrounding water on water. Makikita ang form. You can see the form here. It's Michelangelo. Do you think so? What do you think? He looks like Michelangelo, that Ninja Turtle. Or maybe I'm imagination. My imagination. Yun. This is that one is the head and the nose and the backpack of Michelangelo. That one, the back and that is the feet or the bum, and the feet is that one. You know what I mean? I think if you have also imagination like me, sometimes if I see the form in the sky, yun, para akong let me know if you also have like fantasy, mga kaduray. Yun, merong swan doon. So, tayo na umuwi. Atin ang iwanan si Michelangelo. We will leave him alone. Going home. Alam nyo. So, this is nice. In this area, this is the natawag doon yung liguan nila, swim area. Yun. It's not much sand here, only the rocks, but it's really nice in summer. The beach is in the other side. So, but here is nice. After ng work ko, so lagi akong pumunta dito, always come here and reset. It's really nice, very peaceful. Ika nga. Siya, si Kaduray, alis na tayo na uuwi. At tingnan natin kung ano ating lulutuin. kuwan hingal Mainit pa, malamig pa dito. Maganda ang sun. Pero it's little bit cold, little bit chilly. So, see you in a minute. See you in a minute. Da 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 da. Oh, nice today. Oh, panik tayo din sa may hagdanan. We will look the military. I think it's military. I think this one. This bunker. This is belongs to the military. And they made like this. Ano? Yung semento. That cement for noong war naman, I think they said many history, and that's why come with me everywhere I go. Kado your kaduray. I'm glad to show you around. I'm very glad. I'm very proud to be here in Sweden. Ang puso ko po ay Pilipino. Pero puso rin ako ng Swedish. So, win-win. So, let's go. Yun, meron pa rin. There is another one like that. Bunker. So, that's it. Oh. Narito na po. I'm home from work. This one I steal from my boss garden. The one I told you. So, I will do like this. Put it in the water as usual. Like the other one I picked for 2 weeks ago. And we are in nasa tubig tayo in the river. So I just take out this one. So Chara, hi, you have to take this, so otherwise it will die fast. Put tabot, tik. So this is very cheap. Imagine if you buy this one in the store, it will makes your wallet very sad. But why not? I can take this from Freeland, Sweden. There I work. So, ito pa, mga kadunay, look at this. And I will show you after maybe 3-4 days. It will be like the yellow one. Yellow. Everything is yellow. Yellow. Sige po. Next time.